Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about how we can perform double click using Selenium. So before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So in the previous video, we spoke about how we can perform right click, correct? So here we are trying to understand how does double click work in Selenium. So I have taken this application. So for example, here we have something called copy text, correct? So on double clicking on this, the text from field 1 gets copied to text in the field 2, correct? So only when you perform double click. So if you just notice, if I just perform single click, it doesn't happen. Okay, when I double click it, then only the copy will happen from one field to another field. So how we can perform this? First, let's copy this and we will create a new class. Let's say double click, finish. So let's copy few lines from here just to launch it and then maximize. Still here we will copy. So and replace the URL. Okay. So to perform this action, first what we want is the copy text, this button locator, correct? We have to identify this copy text button. So first let's inspect this. And if you see, so it doesn't have any other option available. So what we can do is we can use the text method from XPath. So how we can find it? So we have button, right? So button and then contains, okay, text. What is the text? Let's put in the text, which is copy text. You can just copy it as well. Capital. Yes. So let's copy this and then we will try to perform double click on this particular button. So let's store this private dot find element by dot XPath. So this is the XPath. So let's store it. So let's say web element. Let's say LE is equal to this. And we will import the web element. So after this, what we have to do is you must know when we are performing any of the mouse actions, we have to mouse or keyboard. Okay. So we have to create the object of actions class. First, let's create the actions class object. Actions action is equal to new actions and pass the driver here reference. Okay, and then import this actions as well. So to perform a double click on any element in Selenium, we have something called double click action dot. If you see, so here we have two options. One is you can directly perform on the current location. Okay. Otherwise, you can perform. See here, you can see double click at the current mouse location, wherever the mouse may be, it performs the double click there. And then another one is by passing the element of where exactly you need to perform the action on. It will move to that particular target and then it will perform the double click on it. So we will use this now because we have to click on the particular button. Okay, dot perform. Okay, so what we just did is we want to copy the text from the field 1 to field 2, correct? So hello world, we need to copy this from field 1 to field 2. So we have just identified this copy text button and then we are just double clicking on it. Okay. So let's run this. Yes. Can you see? The text got copied from field 1 to field 2. So it has performed the double click. But in case suppose say you don't want to pass whatever the field value is, you just want to replace it with something else. So at that time what we can do is, so let's go back and then inspect. So first we will identify the field 1. Okay, we have field 1, we have ID, correct? So we can use this and then clear out the text which is present in this field 1 and give some different input. Okay, and then we will perform the copy text. Okay, so let's copy this field 1. So what we'll do is, let's say driver dot find element by dot id. So let's pass this id. Okay, and then we will save it in, this is of type web element, right? So web element, let's say field 1 is equal to this. Okay, and then what we want to do is, first we will perform the clear action on it. First we want to call this clear method, correct? So that the value whatever is present in this field gets cleared. Otherwise hello text will be there. And then we need to pass the values. So now field 1 dot send keys. So here we can send whatever value we want. Let's say software testing. Okay. So, and after we put in this text, we are performing the double click on it. Let's run. Yes, can you see? So it replaced, it cleared the value hello world and then it entered the software testing and then it just clicked on this copy text so that the value in the field 1 got copied to field 2. So this is how you can perform the double click action on any particular element in Selenium. So hopefully you learned how we can perform double click action. I will also attach this URL. Okay, so please do find it in the description or on the comment. So if you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.